Hello, this is day 4 of 12 weeks, or week 4, either way, 12 weeks to preparedness. And here are my instructions. This is the week where we get to make our Get Out of Dodge bag, or G.O.O.D. And I say G.O.O.D number 1. You might want to have a number 2 for some other items. And I'll go ahead and just go through. I have a handout for that. I just was looking through my bag and I realized that I have a watch in there, which I always buy a cheap watch every year. And then when the battery dies, then I go and buy a new watch because I want to be able to coordinate if all of our other electronics go out. Let's see. So some of the items that are on here are water filter. Let's see, where's that? I actually just attached this water bottle with the tablets that will kill any germs, and then I've got a few drink mixes in there. So that's what I use for my water filter. My 3 days of food, which day number 2, day number 3, and day number 1. So I'll put 3 at the bottom. All right, so we got food. Clothing, we went through that last time as well, so just a little bit of one of each thing, except for socks and underwear. And let's see, we have a bunch of other things in here. I'll just kind of pull some things out and show you what I have. Okay, I've got a little tiny first aid kit. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. I've got some matches and little tea lights and something to catch, which is some cotton balls. Got a pair of shoes in there. I have a mask. Here are my underwear, toilet paper, a pair of gloves, 2 types of gloves, latex gloves and mittens, and a N95 mask here, and a bandana. I have some glow sticks. I have a Cracker Barrel map of the United States of America. And I live near McKinney, so I went to the City Hall and they just gave me this map for free. I also have a life straw. I have some sunscreen, a little Rain Poncho, the U.S. Constitution, a little toothbrush, hand warmers, a whistle, a walkie talkie. So you can see I've got a little bit of the essentials in here, but I don't want to make it so heavy that I can't lift it. So this is my grab and go get out of Dodge bag. Thanks. I'll see you next time.